Hi everyone, I'm here with my friend Nassim. He's behind the camera, and we just finished tour and everything, and he challenged me to solve this Rubik's cube like under 4 minutes. Under 4 minutes,
Yeah.
and if I win, give me the premium. Look at this. I'm taking a bottle of creatine. You can say goodbye to this. 'Cause,
No, I don't think so.
yeah. Should we begin? Okay, let me show you my friend. The big
Hello,
biceps. We're gonna put the Instagram here for everyone.
If you can show some support to my friend, he's doing a good
my
job.
bro, look at this, look at this. Look at this. Okay, here we have the chrono. Let's go. Let's begin. Yeah, okay, 30 seconds. Yes. Okay, first step done. Now we're going for the edges.
Show the people which is the step one.
No, there is no step right now. Now we're only solving.
No, you have time. You have time to show them
Right.
and explain.
There is no time. Trust me. There is creatine waiting for me. Okay, second step done. Oh look, I have the cross already. Sign. Wait. You already tired?
No,
Okay.
I'm just trying to get a better angle.
Thank you. Okay. Okay, so that. So nothing.
We are
Okay,
already
2
2 minutes and a
2
half.
Okay. Okay. First one here. So now I just go like this. Okay, 2 of them done. Okay. Okay. 3 minutes. It's all done. Give it to me. You can say goodbye. Which
You
flavor
deserve
is
it.
Which flavor?
No creatine without flavor.
Unflavored. Oh, perfect. This is gonna go with my protein shake. Thank you, Mr. Nassim, for this gift. we should play more games like this. I like this. And hope you guys like the video, and see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.